Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, so we have here two smartwatches, affordable smartwatches, and these are all the latest smartwatches, affordable and latest smartwatches in the market. We have the Tech Life Smartwatch Neo, and other one, the newest from Huafit, the Huafit Watch S6. On this video, we are going to compare these two wearables, the design, as well as the specs, and of course the features. So we will compare it side by side and see if which is better in terms of design, specs, and offered features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Tech Life Smartwatch Neo versus the Huafit Watch S6, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's compare the two wearables. Before we proceed to the smartwatches, let's check out first the packaging. Both do have a very simple approach when it comes to packaging. We have the details here. We do have some specs on the front. On the side, we do have some features here, such as the Bluetooth call functionality. The specs is also stated here. On the other side, we have the QR code here for our Huafit Watch S6. We have additional features here for our Tech Life Smartwatch Neo. And at the back, we do have the specifications and other features. Okay, so very simple for both wearable, the Tech Life Smartwatch Neo and the Huafit Watch S6. Later on, we are going to check and compare the specifications listed here on the packaging. Going to the smartwatch design, both do have a rectangular body frame. As you can see here, minimalist style for our Tech Life Smartwatch Neo, while for our Huafit Watch S6, it is a bit fashionable with a pebble type body frame. Both do have a plastic material, the body frame and the back cover, with a pogo pin, magnetic charging, quick release pin for our strap, 20.20 millimeter for our strap here for the Huafit Watch S6, while for our Tech Life Smartwatch Neo, we do have a 0.22 millimeter. So let's check again. We have a 0.22. Okay, again, so it's 0.22 millimeter. Okay, again, for the side by side comparison, we almost have the same thickness here. Both do have a rectangular button for power on and off. On the other side, we have the speaker here. Both do have a slim black border, left and right and top, but on the bottom part, it is a bit wide. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, for the weight, let's see. Let's check on the weight. This is our Huafit Watch S6. So it is around 37.33. For our Tech Life Smartwatch Neo, it is around 39. Again, 37, 39. Okay. So the Huafit Watch S6, although it has a much wider body frame, is much lighter. For the strap, flexible silicone strap with steel buckle. Huafit branding here. I like this one much better. Plain black color. Okay, so that's it for the design of both wearable, the Wapit Watch S6 and the TechLife Smartwatch Neo. Which do you think is better in terms of design? Drop a comment below. Okay, next, let's check out the specifications of both smartwatches. So we have here the box. Let's check out the specs. So we have here 1.83 inch TFT with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution. For our Elon Watch S6, as you can see, the same. Let's see, where's the screen size? Here, 1.83 inch 240 by 284 pixel resolution. So the same size for screen display, and at the same time the same pixel resolution. IP67 waterproof rated. IP67 waterproof rated. For the battery, we'll check. Okay, 3 to 7 days battery life. We have here 3 to 5 days battery life. They almost have the same here. The same battery life when it comes to normal usage. Then let's see. Bluetooth 5.2 for our TechLife Smartwatch Neo. We have Bluetooth 5.3 for the Watch S6. So much faster when it comes to connectivity. We have here some of the features: heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring here, AI voice. Okay, again, for the specifications, check it out. The same screen display, the same pixel resolution, almost the same battery life, the same waterproof rating. Okay, both do have a Bluetooth call support. So that's it for the specification. Okay, for the complete specs, I'm going to list it here on this side for our Huawei Watch S6, and here's for the TechLife Smartwatch Neo. Check it out. Okay, from display to battery life and compatibility requirements. Okay, next, so we are done with the design as well as the specifications. Let's proceed with the menus and features. On top, we have the settings here. Okay, a 2-page options here for your smartwatch. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. Okay, I think I like the graphics here, the text, much better. Very small for our TechLife Smartwatch Neo. We do have a much clear and sharp text here for our Huawei Watch S6, as you can see. On the left side, we have the split screen. We have the menus for our TechLife. On the right side, we have the widgets. Yes, the same. As you can see, the same design here, the same graphics. I think they are using the same operating system. Okay, you can add your own. Let's see. With our TechLife Smartwatch Neo, you cannot add your own widgets. Here, with the Huawei Watch S6, you can remove and add your own widgets. For the menus, just press the power button for our Huawei Watch S6. Swipe to the right for our TechLife Smartwatch Neo. So we have the activity, sports, heart rate monitoring. We also have it here, exercise, sports for our Huawei Watch S6. Okay, let's check it out. Basketball, football, swimming. Both to have a comprehensive list of sports functions. But more for our Huawei Watch S6. Going back. Let's see again. For the sports, how about walking? Let's see if they have the same metrics. Walking. So beats per minute, calories, heart rate, steps, distance, yes, the same. Pace, and that's it. So the same data. Blood oxygen, heart rate, sleep monitoring, we have alarm, music control, we have weather, breathing guide, push notifications, voice assistant, SOS, calendar. In the toolbox we have a stopwatch, timer, fine phone, flashlight, contact, stopwatch, timer, torch, the same. Brightness and settings. We have the period tracker here. Okay, for the language, system about, and password. So more options here for our Huawei Watch S6. And I think the screen display is much better when it comes to brightness. Let's see. Full brightness. As you can see, I think it is much better here, the color of the Huawei Watch S6 compared to our TechLife Smartwatch Neo. When it comes to health, they almost have the same features here, as well as the sports functions. But there are some additional tools here and options for our Huawei Watch S6 compared to our TechLife Smartwatch Neo. I like the black here for our Huawei Watch S6. Crisp color, text very sharp, and very smooth when it comes to scrolling the menus. Again, let's see. Smooth transition here for our Huawei Watch S6 compared to our TechLife Smartwatch Neo. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the TechLife Smartwatch Neo versus the Huawei Watch S6. So which do you think is much better? Drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.